What's up guys, Andrew here from Dropshipping Kings. So this video is about 9 things I love about eBay dropshipping. Now the previous video I did was 5 things I hate about eBay dropshipping, so make sure you watch that. And I'll put a link in here as well. So right, let's crack on. 9 things I love about eBay dropshipping. First one is that you can take it anywhere, you can do it anywhere. All you need is a computer and internet connection. Because obviously eBay dropshipping, you don't hold any stock, you're pretty much the middleman. You whack an item up online, you list it up online, when someone buys it, you just put the order through, boom, you hold no stock. So you can take it anywhere, you know, you can take it, you can go traveling to different countries, you know, you could go on, you could do it at the beach if you want. You know, I haven't done it at the beach yet because of the glare and the sand, but you can do that. Yeah, mate. So you can take it anywhere. Number 2 is, I've got my paper by the way. Number 2 is that you need no equipment, you know, other than your computer. It's like, you know, better than other online ways of making money. Like for example, coaching or calls. You know, you might need a camera or a headset or faster internet connection. But eBay dropshipping, all you need is just a computer, and that's it. And that's fucking easy. You don't need any stock. That's that. Oh. Number 3, you can do it anytime, you know, anytime you want. You don't need to schedule times, you don't need to schedule appointments with people. You know, if you decide I want to do it at 8 o'clock, but then you can't do it at 8, you know, or like someone calls you, hey, let's do this, you can go and do it, and then come back and do your dropshipping later, you know, as long as it gets done, obviously. You can do it anytime. You can be very flexible. You can do it at crazy hours in the night. You can do like half an hour here, half an hour there. You can do it anytime you want, any fucking way you want. It's great. Number 4 is that it's easy. It is actually really easy. It's really easy. eBay dropshipping is easy, providing you know what you're doing, obviously. But you know, we can say that with anything. It's easy because it's so repeatable. You can just do it over again and again and again. You don't need to test products. It's so easy. If you don't know how to do it yet, watch my video on how to find hot selling products. I'm gonna put a video to that in the description. Definitely watch that. I've had many people come back and tell me, oh my god, your video, I've made so many sales off that. So watch that, do yourself a favor. Number 4 was that it's easy. Number 5 is that you need no money to start with. You need no money to start with. Now that one, it does depend on people's position, but you need no money. The reason I'm 100% sure that you need no money to start with, and I mean no money, I mean fucking zero money. I'm 100% sure that you need no money because I had no money when I started. I had no software, I had no stock. I listed some stuff, and people bought them. Then I had my money in my PayPal account, and then I used that money to put the order through. Then I listed more stuff and sold those, and I had money, and boom, 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 boom. And then you need no money to start with. If you're in PayPal jail, then you might need money to start with, but not everyone's in PayPal jail. Yeah, fuck. It's raining, by the way. Check it out. It's raining, and I'm getting a little bit wet. That's why I'm getting distracted. So sorry, but that's fine. Number 6. We're on 6 already. What I love about eBay dropshipping is that you get paid instantly. You get paid instantly. You sell an item instantly, providing you've set it up that way. Instantly, it goes into your PayPal account, and you can withdraw the money instantly from your PayPal into your bank account. So I could literally make a sale of £100. I can literally have it in cash in my hand in fucking 5 minutes, or however long it takes me to walk to the ATM and take out the money. Obviously, like transferring it from my PayPal account to my bank account. You can have that. You get the money instantly, and that's amazing. Whereas Amazon, you get the money 2 weeks from when you make the sale. eBay, you get it instantly, and it's amazing for that reason. Number 7 is with eBay dropshipping. There's a huge community on Facebook, online in general. It's just so easy to progress and keep up to date with all eBay's changes, because there's just so many Facebook groups. You can basically, I was able to progress really fast because every time I had an obstacle, which was pretty much every day starting off, I would ask hey, in the Facebook group, hey, this is happening, how do I do this? Like 3 people would give me an idea from their perspective. I would choose one and I would do it. And that's why eBay dropshipping is great. It's just so easy to progress in that sense. Which reminds me, join my Facebook group, my Facebook mastermind group. I'll add a link in the description. Join that one. I'll be there. Ask away. Ask a question. Tag me in it if you want. I'll do my best to answer as quickly as possible. So number 8. What I love about eBay is that it's always changing, and there's a part of me that hates this. And in the video 5 things I hate about eBay dropshipping, the last one was actually that eBay is always changing. I hate that. But number 8, what I love is that eBay is always changing. And the good thing about that is that eBay is always changing, which means people have to adapt, and not everybody wants to adapt. Only the people who are serious and have the mental strength to keep learning, keep growing, keep adapting, only those people will be the ones I'm competing with. So the fact that eBay is always changing, that means there are less dropshippers for me to compete with. So that's good. Number 9, and the last one, was eBay dropshipping has not forced me, but has helped make it so that I've learned and developed loads of new skills. One of which is just learning online stuff in general, learning online stuff, software, what the fuck does online stuff mean? But yeah, software, installing things, learning all sorts of kind of like online hacks to find things, which have helped me find products and all sorts of stuff. I've learned some high-tech shit, to be honest. I've learned how to manage myself, because if I'm like at a job working for somebody, I just kind of get there, do it, and then fuck off. Whereas if I'm working for myself at home, I have to learn how to be self-disciplined. I have to learn how to manage myself, structure my time well, learn how to say no to certain things, like people like wanting to go out, all these ideas. I've got to like be disciplined, learn how to manage myself better, structure my time, make it so that I use my time efficiently. What else? Patience. It's taught me to be patient, because it takes some time to grow the eBay account. It takes some time to appeal restrictions, that kind of thing. Que más? It's taught me how to, well, I've had many VAs working for me, doing different jobs, and like hired some for my coaching clients as well, and trained them up a little bit as well. And eBay dropshipping has basically helped me to I now have been hiring people and employing people, and have people working for me and training them up, and that a few months ago that was just like so outside of my reality, doing that, like me fucking a boss of like with employees working for me, how crazy. But now it's my reality, and now it's great. I've learned some new skills, and it's quite easy now, and it's really nice. And it's actually really nice. So like, rather than me doing eBay dropshipping on my own, got a little team doing it with me, and like we're talking about it and working together and solving problems and like laughing about stuff, and it's really nice, really nice. My girls in the Philippines, they're great. So, and also, yeah, in terms of new skills, yeah, overcoming obstacles. With eBay dropshipping, there's lots of obstacles. Some are just small obstacles, like this customer is asking me this problem, blah blah blah, how do I deal with it? Or big obstacles, like my account's been fucking restricted and shut down, and PayPal's holding my money, that kind of thing. So big obstacles. But working for yourself, you're always gonna just have more and more obstacles, and it's not about trying to make it so that there's no more obstacles. Getting fucking tongue twisted. It's not about trying to make it so that you never have any more obstacles ever again. It's about making it so that you deal with obstacles well, so you can jump over these hurdles with grace, that kind of thing. So that next time there's an obstacle, rather than be like, oh my god, and getting like butthurt about it, just deal with it naturally, developing that strength. So that's 9 things I love about eBay dropshipping, and it allows me to work and live in great countries like Nicaragua, where it's warm, learning Spanish, great people, nice girls. It's just great. Volcanoes, beaches. It's way cheaper than England. well, I'll leave that here. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and of course subscribe and like the video. Goodbye. Whoop.